Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a graph in Google Sheets, step by step. If you've ever struggled to turn your data into a clean, professional looking chart, this quick guide will make it super simple. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and either create a new sheet or open an existing one with your data. Make sure your information is organized properly. For example, put your categories or labels in one column and the corresponding numbers in the next. Having your data neat like this helps Google Sheets automatically detect patterns when creating the graph. Now, click and select the entire data range you want to visualize. Once that's done, go to the top menu, click on Insert, and then choose Chart. And here's the cool part. Google Sheets will instantly generate a chart based on your data. Most of the time, it automatically picks the best type of graph, like a column or line chart. But if you want to change it, just click on the chart, open the chart editor on the right, and under the Setup tab, you can switch to any type: pie chart, bar graph, line chart, and more. You can also customize it further. Add titles, change colors, or adjust labels under the Customize tab to make your graph look just the way you want. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional graph in Google Sheets in just a few clicks, perfect for reports, presentations, or school projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.